All right, welcome back. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. But today we're gonna be going to officially ruined car meet. It's just a post and show. Also, I'm gonna be waxing this bad boy because she's pretty dirty. So we're gonna get that all waxed up, good to go for the meet. We also got family member coming over with his R33. We're gonna clean that up too, get it ready for the meet. So, like I say always, catch you guys there. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys footage of it after being waxed. Because for some reason, the footage that I did when I was waxing the car got deleted somehow. GoPro, maybe problems, I don't know. But here's the footage after wax. Enjoy. Alright, so today we are hosting a car wash inside the garage. We have the R33. The real deal. No, it's real when it's right hand drive. Hey, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Let's see what kind of rods you blew in this motherfucker. Your floor pan missing. Oh!
Daisy, no shit.
Shit. We got a single twin turbo here. Lucky didn't blow the welds off this intake manifold. There he is. The famous table. JDM table. boy. All right, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that wash. Well, anyways, we're about to get ready to head out, and yeah, come follow me. Meet you there. Alright, we arrived to the meet. This thing is packed. Well, anyways, we're gonna wait. It starts at 7 anyways. We arrived a little early. What's up, man? Looking clean.
So where we parking at? We're just out here or anywhere? Anywhere.
With the pinkies. That actually doesn't look bad at all. Damn. I told you. Get the wheel.
Don't you have, didn't your light pop out? No?
You like the wheels, Isaac? He said no. That diesel, you can hear that turbo. Damn. Oh boy. It's getting cracking now. Bring it over here. That's pusta? Basta?
No way.
Just tracked out Honda. Get that light, get that light.
That's my boy right there. Jerry.
light you want? Gas is clean.
I need to get a camera.
Mira, Villa. Yeah, este el uno. That shit's clean, man. Damn. Woohoo! From impact. These are sick.
CTSV? What?
Sheesh.
Cars and flyers, look at that. Oh. Cars and flyers, right there. Just say when I was on the video. Man, look at that cars and flyers. Yep, cars for hire right there. Yep.
Look at that. This is the gas we met up last time, huh? You gonna run it? Oh, that wrap.
How much you charge me for a wrap like that?
Hit me up.
But you should do this.
Yeah. Damn, that color.
Red.
Red?
Yeah, just red. All the things red. So it could be black and white.
Hit him up. He knows how to rap.
Hit me up.
So anybody that wants to know my cousin raps, I'll put his link down below. You guys can hit him up down in the AD area. He does really good jobs, trust me.
Hit me up. You'll find out. Oh, this is the one with the...
See the semi-master? Follow the page, let them know. Unknown.
Just clean, man.
It's a rat.
Ooh, oh boy.
Got the color on it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that is nice right there. The honeycomb.
Yep.
Like that.
You don't see these anymore. It's a Mazda Speed, huh? Protege?
Yeah, the must be Porsche.
Yeah. Little wagon. Nice, look at all that glitter.
That's nice. The wrap? Yeah, I've wrapped.
Get it. Alright. Oh, look at that beauty. That's the way to fish. Let's get some. Yeah, your wheel looks nice right there, bro. Like right now. Woo.
There's donut shop right around the corner. It's open 24 hours. We'll be walk up there, walk back home.
JDM towel right there.
Who said that? Who said that?
All right, guys, we're out of here. No more, no mas. It's already late. We came, cops came. We had a good time, right?